What's up, road warriors? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the VIOFO A229 Plus, a dual-channel dashcam that's promising to blow your mind with 2K footage front and back. Feast your eyes on this daytime drive. It's all recorded with this beast. Buckle up, cause we're about to take it for a spin. Alright, let's get into it. This thing's a two-camera powerhouse, front and rear, both pumping out 2K at 2560 by 1440. That's why this road ahead looks so crisp. Setting it up, piece of cake. Slap the front cam on your windshield, hook the rear one up, and run this sleek little cable that doesn't mess with your vibe. It's got a 2.4-inch screen to play with, and trust me, it feels like you're holding the VIP pass to dashcam royalty. Oh, and those wide-angle lenses. 140 degrees up front, 160 in the back. It's like having eagle eyes on your ride. Now, check this out. What you're seeing is straight fire. License plates, road signs, crystal clear, even with the sun blasting down. That's the Sony Starvis 2 sensors and HDR working their magic. Zero glare, all the details, and colors that pop like a summer blockbuster. Built-in GPS. Yep, it's tracking your speed and whereabouts like a personal road detective. And get this. 5 GHz Wi-Fi lets you zap clips to your phone with the VIOFO app faster than you can say road trip. It's like having a tech wizard riding shotgun. Hold up, it gets better. Voice control, say record or snap a pic, and boom, it's done, hands-free. Toss in a 512 gigabytes microSD card, and with loop recording, this thing just keeps rolling like a champ. Parking mode? Oh yeah, it's got your back when you're not around. Just grab the hardwire kit. Look at this footage. It's smooth, it's sharp, and it's screaming, I've got you covered. Whether it's a fender bender or some wild road drama, this dash cam's your MVP. Okay, real talk time. No one's perfect, right? Word on the street is it might sweat a bit in crazy heat. Like if your car is baking in the sun all day. So, keep it cool, folks. Ventilation's your friend. And yeah, it's not the cheapest kit on the block, but look at this quality. Dual 2K, GPS, all the bells and whistles. You're paying for the good stuff. Honestly, this footage is so dope, I'd say it's worth every penny. So what's the verdict? The VIOFO A229 Plus is a total rock star. This daytime drive you're vibing to? That's proof it delivers. Sharp details, killer coverage, and features that make you feel like a tech boss. Sure, it's a bit of splurge, but for this level of peace of mind, sign me up. If you're all about safety and epic footage, this is your ride or die dash cam. That's a wrap, fam. What do you think? Got this dash cam or eyeing it? Spill the tea in the comments. Smash that like button if this rocked your world. Subscribe for more gear like this. And I'll see you on the next adventure. Drive safe, legends.